Did you know Cebu is the home to one of the best chocolate brands in the Philippines? And small background tayo. The Chocolate Chamber started as a small artisanal chocolate brand using local cacao from Cebu. They focus on quality and innovation, creating unique flavors like tablea and chili chocolate. They gain a loyal following by joining food fairs and partnering with local hotels and restaurants. Today, the Chocolate Chamber has won international awards and is a favorite among chocolate lovers. Review lang tayo. The Chocolate Chamber's products are now exported to countries like Japan and the USA. And ano ba yung entrepreneurial lessons na matututunan natin dito? Number one, innovation. Always look for ways to make your product unique. Pangalawa, quality. High quality products will always attract loyal customers. Pangatlo is partnership. Collaborating with local businesses can help you grow. Alam nyo ba na ang tamis ng tsokolate, pero wala pa rin mas tatamis katalumpay. Kaya ano yung passion na pwede mo maging negosyo? Discipline let's entrepreneur na naniniwala na kayo natin maging successful sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Yan guys, bali ito yung Magellan's Boss. Sa Cebu tayo ngayon. Thank you.